Hello mga sisi bes! Isa pa.
Believe in yourself when there's nobody else.
Higher. Higher. There you go, right there.
Oh.
Every day is a blessing, something to be thankful for.
So, this is it, pansit. Okay. Papunta na kami ng San Francisco. Punta ng para mag-flight going to Las Vegas trip. So, yan. Gusto ko kinukuhaan yan. Itong kapaligiran na to habang inabagtas namin yung daan patungo dun sa airport ng San Francisco. Parang feeling ko kasi nasa Minecraft ako. Tsaka itong trail ng trees na to, ang ganda guys. Yan. Alam niyo naman, ako nature lover. Yan. So yan. Yan, in-enjoy ko lang muna yung pag-feel ng mga nakikita ko. Mga kapaligiran, nasa kapaligiran namin. Yan. So, parang hindi rin ako mainit. Actually, medyo inaantok ako dyan eh. Excited, sobrang excited. Walang tulog. So, yan. Yan, malapit na kami sa San Francisco. Going to this Vegas trip. See you guys. Thank you.
We'll meet this flight upon arrival at the gate and we'll be happy to assist you. For those customers needing special assistance, such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the majority of the customers exit the aircraft, as this will allow us to better assist you. And for those customers who live in the Las Vegas area, welcome home. For those who are just visiting, we wish you a pleasant stay. On behalf of your crew and everyone on Team Frontier, thanks for traveling with us today. Please be sure to visit Fly Frontier the next time you plan our low fares done right.
OMGM look.
And yes.
Welcome to Vegas.
Ladies and gentlemen, once you have finished seeing outside the beautiful desert, if you could kindly close those window shades if you're sitting next to a window. It's 100 degrees outside, and reach up and open those air vents for the next departure to stay cool. Thank you. Welcome to Las Vegas.
Once we arrive at the gate, please use caution opening overhead bins to prevent injury, as items may have shifted during landing. And for any questions regarding ground transportation,
Time check 7:30 p.m. So, again, the Beverage! My dad would love that. He loves Beatles. Pakikita natin kay Lolo, oh. Lolo, oh. Pakita ko sa inyo si Beatles. Ayan, oh. Kita nyo ang Beatles. Nasa building. Wala yung Beatles, oh. Natuwa si Lolo. Lolo, oh, pag napanood mo tong vlog ko, kasi yan yung picture ng Beatles. Yung 4 na Beatles. I don't know if you can see it. I hope you can see it there. Ayan. Oh, meron silang paano dito. To waterfalls. At least dito malamig. Itong area na to. Itong area na to malamig. Malinaw yung tubig, in fairness. Oh. Malinaw. That's why they have this thing, I guess. Napakainit. Sabi nga aking pamangkin kasi daw dati, parang ito daw ang disyerto ng Amerika. Itong Las Vegas. Puro casino dito. Yan. Parang hapon na yung ang ano niya dito sa area dito. Siguro kasi nga ayan, no, may pa waterfalls. Ang malaki ng waterfalls. Ayun dito. Cute. Ay, matutuwa ang aking daddy. Hey, daddy, oh, that's the Beatles. Lolo, ayan ang Beatles. Kami dito. Fountain of the Gods. Tingnan natin. Pasok tayo dito. Liga. Pasok kami tayo. Pasok kami dito, guys. Caesar's Palace. Tingnan natin yung Fountain of the Gods. You can't wait for the automatic. So, let's buy Fountain of the Gods. I'm planning to show you Caesar's Palace. Dito? Can you sit here? Here. Anak, dito muna tayo. Ayun, let's go upstairs. Come on. God is asleep. Sino yan? Si Athena ba yan? Si Athena ba yan? Ang cute naman ang ano nila dito. Muebles. Ano yan? You wanna check? Halika ko guys, pasok lang kami dito sa shops. You don't want? Mukhang mahal dito na. Oh, they the Raiders too. Ipapakita ko. Matutuwa ang asawa ko dito. Andito tayo sa Raiders. Ayan eh, mga Raiders lahat. Kasi nakabili na ako ng kape. I don't need to. Nakabili na ako. Kasama ko may Raiders dyan. Dito. Kasi nga nasa Vegas tayo. Samahan niyo ako. Samahan niyo kami. Lalabas tayo dyan. Oh, look at that. Ang sarap sa labas, anak ko. Oh, diba? Punta tayo dyan, guys. Galain natin yan. Galain natin yan, ha? Punta tayo dun, sa hanggang dun. Nandito kami sa Treasure Island. Ang hotel. So, punta tayo hanggang dun sa may, dun sa may Caesar Palace. Tingnan natin. Tsaka yung kung makikita mo yung Globe Dome na yun, may umiikot tayo ng parang bilog. Yung sa likod ng Palazzo Palace. Tapos yung likuran din ito maganda eh, kaso wala ng bintana. Wow! Check natin. Alright, I'll see you guys. I'll be back.
Welcome to my vlog! We're here at the Venetian.
Welcome to Life Fields. Where are we?
The whole day.
We're at Vegas.
The Sin City.
But right now we're here in Venetian. Alright.
Summarize my life in one slide.
En mi tierra, Venezuela.
From my country, Venezuela.
Venezuela in the house.
Venezuela.
Hi to my vlog.
That's the power of what we can have here. And as a leader, we're going to learn how to communicate. And now we have this tool that we can do, and we can.
Guys, kakasinan muna kami. Hi! Say hi! Hi to my vlog! Ayan. Napalangin din ang anak ko. Ayan, magkakasino kami.
Ang saya sa Las Vegas, medyo napapagod nga lang kami. Eto, pagod na anak ko rito, pero carry lang.
Kahit huwag kayo tumingin.
Dito naman, papunta kami dyan sa MGM Grand Arena. So, dito, madalas ginaganap yung boxing sports tulad nung naging famous si Manny Pacquiao dito. Saya rin dito.